Hello and welcome back. And here we are at Mission 3, Lesson 15. All right, we're kind of delving deeper into division now. We're in that division step. And so our student objective for this lesson is to understand and solve division problems with the remainder using the array and area models. So essentially what the array is, it's like we're drawing it out. Okay, so we're going to solve division problems by drawing it out. So let's take a look at a few of those together, shall we? Yes, Mr. Morrison, we shall. So we might be given a problem such as this. Okay, 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6. We're trying to find the quotient and the remainder. So it says draw an array to represent the division. So how many total do I have? When I look, I know my total is going to be 26, and I'm dividing them into groups of 6. So this is an array right here. An array is when you draw it out. So I'm going to make groups of 6 and see how many I can have. So I just have to do this. You'll be able to click on it nice and easily on Zern, but I have to do it like this right here. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a group of 6. Okay, I don't want any more in that group, so that's a group of 6. And then make another one. All right, so there's another group of 6. And I'm just kind of keeping track of how many I have. Because remember, I have 24 total I need to put. But so this is 6. This is 12. I need another group of 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6, 12, 18. So again, 6, 12, 18. Let's make another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's see how many I have now. I have 6, I have 12, I have 18, and I have 24. So I have 24 exactly. Right? I've made 24 exactly. So if I were to draw that out, and this is what they're calling the area model here, and where you just put it like, okay, how many do you have in a group? We had 6. And then how many groups total did you have? You had 4. Okay. And so my quotient for this, which we're just going to abbreviate with a Q. Remember, quotient is the answer to a division problem. The quotient is, well, how many groups did we have? We had, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. And my remainder, did I have any left over that aren't in that group of 6? Did I have any here that had to be filled out? Nope. I have a 0 remainder. I was able to get those 24 dividedly even into 6 groups of 6, into 4 groups of 6. So let's take a look at one more together here. Okay, so this one's 16 divided by 7. So, and draw an array, represent the division. So now I have, what's my total? My total is I have 16, and I'm putting them into groups of what? Those 16 into groups of 7. So now I'm just going to use my array here to make groups of 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a group of 7. Make another group of 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how many is that right now? I have one group of 7, which is 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2 groups of 7, which is 14. I can already tell you I'm not going to have enough for another group of 7. So I have 14. I'm going to say 15, and then 16. And then I stop because I'm done. 16 was the total of what I had. Okay, so let's draw that in that area model way, which they want. All right, so I put them into groups of 7. How many full groups of 7 did I have? I had 1, 2 full groups of 7, and then I had these remaining 2. I had 2 remaining. And again, we're just using R as an abbreviation for remainder. Okay, so my quotient then, so my quotient and my remainder. So my quotient is, how many groups of 7 did I get? How many full groups of 7? Well, again, I had 2. I had, again, 1, 2 full groups. And then how many did I have remaining that didn't fit into a group of 7? I had that's an arrow. Sorry, that was supposed to be an arrow. That didn't quite work out as I hoped. I have, let's try again. These two. Still a horrible looking arrow, but yeah, it's these two right here. So my remaining that I have left over are 2. So my answer, to this equation is 16 divided by 7 is I have a quotient of 2 with a remainder of 2. So that's what you're working on throughout this lesson. You're working on using this array model. This is what they call the array model way, when you just kind of take out the dots and you just draw it. So you have groups 7. There were 2 full groups right there. But you're just going to be working this and getting that understanding of division problems. Good luck, and if you need help, please ask me or your teacher.